We are DAAP Research, a community of faculty, students, and partners formulating futures through design, architecture, art, and planning. Braden Trauth is an assistant professor of industrial design at DAAP, whose work centers on mutualistic design, an approach to sustainable design that uses permaculture and ecological theory and systems to meet human needs while restoring the planet. His past research includes permaculture, collaborations with farmers and universities in Haiti, and studies on Earthships, while his current work at the UC Center for Field Studies explores regenerative materials for product design. He established a research plot supported by public engagement with science, PEWS, focus on native species like white oaks, studying how fibers, dyes, and other plant-based resources can be used by designers and farmers, particularly those species that grow quickly and could play a role in mitigating climate change. His ultimate goal is to reduce climate change by advancing mutualistic design practices that can scale across farms and industries worldwide, leading research and innovation at DAAP.